Dreaming of a high-paying career as a pilot or flight attendant, meet Royal Concord Aviation experts on 8 June at M Crown Hotel Shillong from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Book your slot now and call 720-479-8777.
Ringkat ka jingtmu ban betelanti bat ban aibor ya ki Samla hakabaki la ban jet ya ki kam ki jam ka seng Samla bat Cultural Sports Club saat red ringkat ka jinga Trei lang bat ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM haka henru tere ujelio araja arpusan kala penlong ya ka Career Guidance and Awareness Program ha omsning. Hagani ngi lawan benya shimbanta daw Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkan UMP ke Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kumukong san haringkat ka jinga don lang u Dr. Celestine Lingdo UMLA ke omsning baruba bandrikus nongsteng MDC ke omsning kum kisembut kong san umabubul hak Chancellor ke USTM nalor kiwe-kiwe. Haba ajing kran hakani ngi u Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkan ula pai khamat shaki Samla kum ke jing ai Mynsiem yaki bakin Trei Shitom haka jing Pule bat ongru babaro ki don la ka Jong ka sam bat kat kum ka jing la Jong ki.
The word awareness reminds us that all of us, we have the ability. Yes or no? Yes or no? We all have the ability. We can do great things. And thank you once again for the person, the young boy who had the courage to stand up and to come forward and to spell the word awareness. And I'm sure each one of you can spell the word awareness. But that, you don't have that courage. So it's important, if you want to build a career for yourself, to also be, you have the ability, but unless you move forward, it remains within you. Then, next comes the word W. All of us, none of us, we can say that we cannot write. All of us can write. So whatever you have in your mind, write it down. Writing is very important. Write down what you have in mind. Write down what you want to be in life. That is very important. Unless you write it down, you will forget. So it is important that while in this program, write it down. Don't just say that I'll remember. Yes, some of you might have good memory, but that memory may fade away, in the years and days to come. Always good to write things down. Okay? And it is so important to write down especially what your aim in life is. If I were to ask here, what is your aim in life? We won't have much time to ask each one of you, but then from my side, I encourage you to please write down what your aim in life is going to be. Then, the next word is act. ACT. You have the ability. You write it down and you act upon it. If you just simply write it down and don't do anything, it is meaningless. It will remain in paper. And therefore it is important to act. And remember, time is something which once lost is lost forever. And that is why let me, give a remark here to the organizers, not only to the organizers of today's function, but I believe to each one of us. I was talking with a few of my friends here that, the program was supposed to start at 10. So now, we started at around 10:30. We have lost 30 minutes of time. And time once lost is lost forever. No amount of wealth that you might have can get back what you have lost. And time is something that we cannot afford to lose. If you lose time, you lose a lot of things. So, and that is important. And why I say that time is important? Because when we act, we have to act timely. We cannot say, let me, wait for some time. No. If there's something that we need to do it now. Never procrastinate. Procrastination is, is something which has pulled down, many in moving forward. So always act in time and never wait for time.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataya kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ika dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha ka jing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office Jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.